guys, good morning. My name is Ayo and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily a Day. And as usual, I'm going to be taking you through the world of vehicle engineering. We're going to be taking a look at the AC system, the suspension systems, your brake system, and we're going to be looking at vehicle diagnostics. And as usual, I'd like you to come along with me, give me a thumbs up, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back. And today we are going to be looking at the compressor of the AC system, and this is more like the art of the AC system. And here with me I have a sample of a Ford Ranger's compressor, and this is a fixed displacement swash plate compressor, and it's fixed in the sense that there's a swash plate within this compressor's component. Now the piston that are attached to the connecting rods, which are also merged with the swash plate, moves up and down. It's an up and downward movement, and this causes compression of the refrigerant, and the refrigerant is being transferred through the AC system depending on the requirements of the user. So I'm going to be showing you the components of the compressor, and here on my right hand side I have the compressor that has been dismantled. So the compressor, when it's been coupled, the first part is the clutch plate. We have this clutch plate, and next we have the compressor pulley in this form, and the next part is the clutch coil. Now when signal is being sent through this cable, it causes a form of magnetic field that allows this clutch plate to attach itself with this pulley, and as this is being magnetized, the whole system starts compressing. Now, to relate well with what I mean by fixed displacement swash plate compressor, I'm going to be taking off all these parts. This is an hexagonal bolt for the compressor, and it's 8 mm. Now I've taken this off. Next, we are taking the part from the head of the compressor out, and once I have this out, I have some plates here, and this plate acts as the intake and the discharge valves, and we have them. It's 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure the positioning is noticed well. And next we come down here. I've also taken this off, so I'm gonna take this out, and there we have it. And next we're gonna take this component out of the compressor. Now I have the compressor dismantled, and this is just for demonstration purposes. Now you can see in the middle I have the swash plate, which is fixed to the input shaft. Now when this input shaft here rotates, the swash plate, the back and forth movement of the swash plate causes the pistons that are attached to it to move up and down, and the swash, hence the name fixed swash plate compressor. The pistons compress the refrigerant at the same pressure. Here's a demonstration of the input shaft and swash plate movement. You can see the swash plate oscillates back and forth with the input shaft. So let's go over all the parts of a vehicle's AC compressor. We have the clutch plate, we have the bolts, we have the clutch coil, we have the pulley, we have the pistons, we have the swash housing, we have the input shaft incorporated with the swash plate, we have the input and discharge valve, which is a plate, we have the high pressure relief valve, and this releases refrigerant into the atmosphere when the pressure within the system gets dangerously high. And we have some other housings that has the input and the discharge passage for refrigerants. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. It's been a wonderful time.